College is a time to explore new things and become more independent. But along with that freedom comes the responsibility of taking care of your own money. You might have to pay for rent, food, and school supplies for the first time. This means that you'll need to learn how to budget your money wisely so you don't run out. For many students, budgeting becomes a crucial skill to navigate through college life. Piolo, a student from Naga College Foundation, is diligently planning his finances.
Importante talaga ang pag-budget para sa mga gastusin, para iwas din sa stress. Minsan kinakalculate ko yung mga allowance ko for everyday needs, sa pagkain, pamasahe, sa dorm, mga ganun.
Piolo tracks his income, which includes his allowance from home and his earnings from part-time work. He allocates a specific amount for necessities and sets aside some savings. Too much budgeting is unnecessary. According to Piolo, it is still important to spend time with friends.
Siyempre naman, hindi mawawala yung mga time with friends. Hindi naman hadlang yung kakulangan ng pera para magbigay ng oras sa mga kaibigan. And at the same time, nakakatulong din sila para mabawasan yung stress ko. Hindi lang naman pera yung siyempre pinagkakastressan ko. Sa school din. And doon naman sila tumutulong sa akin.
By keeping track of his finances, Piolo avoids unnecessary spending and feels empowered to make informed financial decisions.
Nakakatulog ako ng mahimbing kasi alam kong sapat yung pera ko para sa araw-araw, lalo sa isang buwan.
Budgeting is a way to become financially independent and responsible. Taking charge of your finances is a valuable skill that can benefit you throughout your college journey and beyond. Budgeting empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Through smart budgeting, you can achieve your financial goals, be it big or small. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. So start today and take control of your financial future.